Quick video here. The newer model from 2013 or 14 Snapper rear engine rider. If the steering disengages and it's not turning the wheels, the rack and pinion's not meshing properly. So what you do is take the cover off. There's just some screws along the side here, and if you remove these screws, I have them loose already. I'm reassembling this thing. I'm not sure if I have all the parts in right, but I think so. You can download the service manual, has the parts, how the screws go in. You see this thing is slotted, so what you have to do is loosen these and pry it forward, and that will engage the steering. Just pry it forward while tightening it. That will engage it'll mesh the teeth of the rack and pinion steering, and it'll work again. Works like a charm now.